What's up, YouTube? Norm here for a tour of my very cool guy tool bag. Actually, it's a Husky tool bag, but everything is very cool, guys, around here. Bunch of stuff on the outside, like my 5-in-1, which I use all the time. Pencils, markers, and I don't know, oh, this is a bag full of all kinds of bits, knives, right angle screwdrivers, chisels. Oh, and I made this myself. I've got a couple of carabiners, put my tape on it here, my paint hooks and keys, my gloves. Never know what kind of junk we're pulling out. More pencils, Allen keys. In this pocket I keep my chargers for my phone, my electronic stuff. Yeah, this is all phone charger stuff. Never know. You gotta have power for the phone. I got my multi screwdriver. Actually, this is a ratcheting screwdriver. I don't know why I got it, because I never really liked them, but it had enough bits for everyday use. More gloves. Gotta keep them hands soft and supple. That's directions to something. More gloves. And actually, I don't know why I keep gloves, because my hands are all cut up. I never really use them like I supposed to. Drill bits. Okay, now we can go to inside. Kind of packed full. I keep my combination square ruler. It's great for just about any carpentry job. Hammer, of course, tearing up stuff. I keep my drills. I did a not a review, but talked about these drills in another video here. I keep these drills, the 12-amp drills, the 12-volt drills, in my bag because they, as you see, they fit right in the bag. So I use these as my everyday drills. And then here I have all kinds of, we do a lot of electrical stuff, wire nuts, spare wire, because you never know when you have to do a pigtail or something. In that bag. Me and Mikey J were together when we got these, the drywall rash, and it's a drywall lift. Tape measures. And then this is I keep a tool pouch, because a lot of times when we're doing ceiling lights and stuff, instead of having to run back and down, up and down a ladder, I keep my electrical stuff. In fact, I actually load more stuff in here sometimes, depending on what I'm doing, so I don't have to keep going up and down a ladder. I put this around my waist and to go up in the ceiling and do electrical work. Then I have a Stanley socket set in there, which always comes in handy. Pry bar, more pry bars, another 5-in-1, a file rasp combination, another I don't know what you would call that. It's for, it's a sharpening stone. Oh, okay. For sharpening lines. My main lineman's pliers, which I stick in there when I go up on the ladder. This is a wrench for Samsung displays. Another screwdriver. Charger for my drills. Framing square. and something we tell Nick he needs to get. It's on his list. A file. Gotta have a file. And another pair of cheap lineman's pliers, regular pliers, side cutters. I actually keep a pair of scissors in here too. Needle nose pliers. Another better set of Allen wrenches, because the ones that I showed before, if you have something that a screw that's really hard to get out, they don't work as well with that's in that handle. So I use these when I have a tough screw to get out. Then my PPE kit, personal protection equipment kit. I have my safety glasses in here, my earplugs, which is there. Also, this is not really personal protection, but this is my ticker to make sure there's no power on the lines when we're doing electrical work.
That is personal protection.
Yeah, you're probably right, it is. And then I keep a little small level, so I always have a level on me. And then my flashlight that I wrap around my head so I can have both hands free. And then assorted small tiny screwdrivers in here as well. Drill bits. No, this is actually driver bits. I already showed you the drill bit. More driver bits. More drill bits and driver bits. Not more drill bits and driver bits.
Drill bits in the world.
No, these actually aren't drill bits and driver bits. There are a couple in here, but this is like nail sets. There are some driver bits, but like the longer ones for when we have to do long stuff. Then this is a punch for starting. Like if you're working on metal.
Is that an owl?
Yeah, yeah. So when you're working on metal, you can start the hole so your drill bit doesn't slide across it. And this is so you can, when you're putting in hinges, it sits down in the screw hole and it will center so you can start your screw in the center of the hole. And more nail sets. We like to be accurate here. Pay attention to detail. This is my this is for removing caulk around toilets. I got this because I got the 5-in-1 doesn't really work that well for removing caulk, so this gets it out of the corners a little bit better. Yeah, and it actually supposed to help you put it in, but I always use my finger. I don't use that. I use it just to get the caulk out. Another level. More pencils. And when you watch the other video that Mike did on his tool bag up here, unless it's gonna be in the same video, he keeps a little bit different stuff in his bag than I keep in my bag. We usually go out on calls together, so it complements each other. And if I don't have it, he'll have it. And usually if he doesn't have it, I'll have it. So between the two of us, we can get just about any job done. And that's it for the tour of my tool bag. This is my everyday tool bag, not all my tools. Couldn't show all that in one video. But this gets us by every day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notifications when we have a new video. Peace. Now I gotta pack everything back in here.
Dude, I don't know how you got all that stuff in there. That's amazing.
Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.